Hey, so what's for supper today? Well, Bridger, my nephew, you're part of my quarantine, aren't you?
Yeah.
All right, so he's my chef, my assistant chef tonight. I would like to try to make barbecue chicken tacos. How does that sound? Really good?
Good.
All right, so I think you can help me. What's your favorite kind of seasoning on your chicken? Hot buffalo? How about honey barbecue?
Yeah.
Okay, good, because that's what I have. I found the easy kind of chicken in the freezer section of the favorite grocery store that you like, so that we can use that. So this is the chicken nuggets, and they're the honey barbecue flavor. I'm just going to cut them up a little bit so that I have better slices, okay, with this sharp knife. Grab your fork, man. Let's give it a shot. Let's see if you like this. Try that. I'm going to try this too. Did we get the right kind? We're good? Okay. Let's keep cutting them a little bit. Now, while I'm doing that, could you put 2 shells on our plate for me, please? And kind of put them in a little tent in the middle so we can easily fill both sides. Now, really, you don't need a whole lot of chicken on each taco because it fills it a lot. This will cut our time down real quick, and you could even make this for your family. You might have your mom help you with putting these things in the oven and using the sharp knife. But otherwise, you could do all this, couldn't you?
Yeah.
Okay. So how about if you take your fork, let's put some chicken on your side. Use your fork. There you go. Right on your side, that's good. You can even push it off the side like this. Kind of do like that. Okay, how much chicken do you like on yours? Is that pretty good?
That's pretty good.
Is that pretty good? Spread it out a little bit. You want to help me do chicken on my side?
Yeah.
Okay. You can even do hot buffalo wing chicken if you like a different flavor, or maybe you just like plain. All right. We might have to try some more of that chicken. What do you think? Yeah, I think so. Still good, isn't it? All right. On this taco, another easy thing to do because it makes it a little fancier. You have lettuce. But I also have some cabbage here I've cut up earlier. Want to put some lettuce on your side? I'll put a little cabbage on mine. All right, that looks good. Now, to jazz it up a little bit more, we're gonna take a little bit of ranch dressing, give it a squeeze on each side, little zip zip, not too much. Oh, that looks great. Let's do this side. Nicely done. Oh, beautiful. Should we give it a shot?
Yeah.
All right, here's your taco. Hold it nice and tight. Here's my taco. Ready to give it a cheers. Okay. That's pretty good. Did you like that? Easy recipe. If you don't need all these ingredients, just get to our website, WTOL.com. And that's what's for supper